Hi, this video is about DHCP configuration on Cisco router. We're going to configure it on router 1. We're going to configure two different configurations. We're going to do different configuration on this router. So let's go on and do the simple configuration, which we will enable this PC to get an IP from router 1. So let's go and get started, and the basic configuration will be, okay, there we go. No. So we're going to go on and enable config T. We're going to create an IP DHCP pool. My pool 10, 21, 21, 1 through 31. My pool is whatever name you want to give to. So the basic command is IP DHCP pool, and then I call it my pool, and then I'm gonna say this is the name of my pool. So I'm gonna go on and give this guy this name. So this is the name for my DHCP. There we go. Let's go and say network 10, 21, 21, 1, 255, 255, 255, 224. So what network am I gonna be reserving for this DHCP? It's going to be the 10.21.21 network slash that 27. Anyways, it's going to be 255.255.224. There we go. And we're going to say default router. So what is our default router? We're going to say 10.21.21.1. And that is our default router, which I'm going to put on this IP 10.21.21.1 on this interface. So that way, where is our router? It's going to point right there. So also, I'm going to go on and add IP DHCP excluded. Say address 10.21.21.1 through, let's say, 10.21.21.10. So that way I don't want these address to be given to clients, so that's why I'm going to just reserve that. So let's go to interface gig 02. Gonna go right there, pull this up, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, interface gig 02. There we go. I'm going to say IP address 10.21.21.1 255.255.255.224. No shut. There we go. So that interface, as you see it just came back. And let's go and take a look if it got an IP yet. There we go. That is our gateway as we configure on the router. So we're going to go to router and take a look. Yes, that's our gateway, and that is our IP. Okay, put it side by side maybe. We're going to have a quick bear review. Oops, not happening. There we go. So that's our gateway as you see it. This is the gateway, this is the gateway, this is the address, and that's it. And take a look at the exclude command later. And this is it for this guy. Even if we bring this interface back, we're not going to get any IP. So let's skip that and just go on and configure DHCP on that interface as well. So I'm going to go on and say configure that DHCP to get a different subnet for the side of gig 01. So let's pull our screen back in here so we can have a better view. So I'm going to go on and create another DHCP pool, and I'm going to bring it up. There we go. Okay, IP DHCP pool, my pool. this is configuration for the other side of the another interface on the router. So I'm going to say my pool, say 10, 21, 21, 32 through 61. That is the name of my DHCP pool. And I'm going to go on and say what network? We'll say 10, 21, 21, 32. 255.255.224. That is our network. And what's going to be our default router? We're going to say default router 10, 21, 21, 33. Okay, that's our default router. So let's go on and say, oops, do I have a, yep, I have a typo. Sorry about that. Default router, that's our default router. And then we're going to go on and say, assign that the first IP, that IP to our router. So let's go on and make that happen. Bear with me a minute. Okay, there we go. So exit. I make a typo there. Maybe I have. Let's take a look and see what happens. Okay, we're gonna say interface gig 01, and we're gonna give that IP address. IP address 10, 21, 21, 33, 255, 255.224. No shut. There we go. That interface came back or came up. So let's go and take a look at this guy and see if we got an IP. There we go. Yes, we did get an IP as you see it. Remember, we choose to have a different subnet for gig 01, and for gig 02 we said, you know what, we want a separate subnet. So if you see right here, the subnet, this pool, there we go, the 32. And this is pretty much it. This is how we configure two different IP range on two different IP subnets on different interfaces of a router. So take a look in this guy, look, address start there, that's the 32 is their gateway, and take a look at this guy, and different subnet, different thing. Anyways, this is it for today. Thank you.